Hey there, do you know you can make money in Nigeria by sharing your internet connection on the app called Pound.app? Yes, it's possible. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money in Nigeria with just your smartphone and Pound.app. So before I dive in on how to make money on this app, let me give you a brief overview of what Pound.app is all about. Pound.app is a mobile app that allows you to share your internet connection with others who need it, and in return you get paid for the data shared. It is a win-win situation. So to get started on Pound.app, all you need to do right now is to download the app from your Apple Store or your Play Store and sign up for an account. I will be leaving the link in the description right now. I'll be leaving the link to the app in the description. So once you click on the link in the description, once you use my link to register to create an account on Pound.app, you're going to get $1 bonus for using my link. So it's very important you use my link in the description. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So once you use my link to create an account, you get $1 bonus for using my link. So once you have signed up, you will be taken to the app dashboard where you could view your data usage and your data earnings. So right now, I'm going to be logging into the app right now to literally show you guys how the app literally looks like. So I'm going to be logging into the app right now to literally show you guys on how the app looks like. So now that you know what Pound.app is, let's get started on how to make money in Nigeria with your smartphone. So the first step is to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Once you have that, open Pound.app on your smartphone right now. So I'm going to literally open the app on my smartphone right now. So I'm going to open the app on my smartphone right now. Let me quickly open the app for you guys on my smartphone right now. So you can see this is how the app look like. So you can see this is the app look like. So you can see right here on Pound.app data sharing. So you can see right here, you can see the amount of data you shared and the amount of MB shared, and the more data you share, the more money you make. Like I said, if I get any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, so you'll be notified anytime I drop some video like this. Like I said, Pound.app is just about you sharing your data. So the more data you share, the more money you make. So to start sharing your connection, simply click on this start button right here. Because right here, this is the start button. Click on the start button right here. Because right here, this is the start button right here where the green arrow is. You could click on this to start sharing your data. So once you start sharing your data, you start getting paid. So once you click on the start button, and Pound.app will start sharing your internet connection with others who need it, and you start earning money immediately. And you can view your data earnings on the app dashboard right there. You can see right here, this how much I've earned using Pound.app. You can see right here, this is 0.10 USD. I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to reload this right now to tell you the person you are learning from is someone with experience and someone who knows what to do, someone who practice what to do. So let me reload the screen right now. You see right here, I'm done reloading the screen right now, and the money is still intact. You can see right here, the money is intact. I'm still having 0.10 USD on my dashboard. So you could start earning immediately. And so on Pound.apps, you could view your total earnings, the amount of data you have shared, and the number of hours spent sharing your internet connection. So you could withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account once you reach the minimum threshold of $5. So you could withdraw your money to your PayPal account once you reach the minimum threshold of $5. So once you already reach $5, you could withdraw your money. But if you don't have a PayPal account right now, I already have a video on how to open the PayPal account. The video is going to be down in the description. Go and watch the video. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. You guys go check out the link in the description. And also I will be leaving the link to the video at the end of this video. So it's important to watch this video to the end if you want to learn how to create a PayPal account. And also there are various payment options on Pound.app like cryptocurrency and a bunch of others. So you could literally check the payment method by clicking on the arrow right here. So you could click on the arrow right here, just go to the settings, and you'll be able to locate the payment method. And by the way, if you are not seeing the payment method on Pound.app, you could literally log in your account on your Chrome browser. So once you log in on your Chrome browser, it's going to give you more interface and more features. So you could literally locate the payment option right here on your screen. So once you are done with that, if you have gotten any value from this video, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video for more tips on how to make money. And that is it. Making money online in Nigeria with Pound.app, it's as simple as that. All you need is a stable internet connection and your smartphone. So if you are looking for a way of making money in Nigeria, download Pound.app right now today and start sharing your internet connection with Pound.app. Making money has never been easier. So if you want to learn how to make your first $2,000 online, I will advise you go check out my book. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below. I advise you go check out my book on how to do so, because I've written all the secrets I'm using in making $2,000 every single month by starting a profitable online business that's going to earn you passive income online. So right now I'll be leaving the link in the description. Go check out the link, and also it's going to be in the pinned comment section above. I'll be leaving the link in the pinned comment section above, so go check out the link in the description. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my video for more tips on how to make money online. And also a video is going to be popping up right here on your screen that's going to be teaching you on how to make money online by just sharing data connection. So a video is going to be popping on how to make money online by just selling data online. So go watch the video. Let's go.